Hi everyone, this is Rick Winter from HID Global. I'm here today at InfoComm, sitting in the Qbic booth as one of our technology partners, helping them represent one of their top products in the market today. This is the TD-0360 BookBuddy. This is actually a desktop booking control panel that allows people to check in and out not only at panels, but also can be utilized when it comes down to locker registration, as well as reserving lockers when and where needed for those applications that suit that particular product. This is a great product. It supports all the HID credential technologies from low frequency to high frequency, but the really cool thing is what it's noted right here in this line, and that product is being able to support an HID credential in Apple Wallet as well as Google Wallet. Great partner. Come to the InfoComm booth if you have an opportunity, or check out their website once you get a chance. Appreciate the support. Thank you.